Hello everyone, we have the California State Ethics Commissioner Catharine Baker here at the 9/11 Memorial. This is a very sad occasion. Over 2,900 people lost their lives, so innocent people, they were not expecting anything, and more than 25,000 got injured. Some of them never even recovered.
Yes.
They are still facing with the disabilities, and 9/11 attacks in particular had an everlasting impact on the mindsets of the people, on
Right in
the
our hearts.
yes, right in our hearts, on the American economy. It led to the recession, and several billions of dollars were spent in just recovering. So this was like really, I would say an impact that America is still feeling. What's your take on the overall incident and the present day scenario after 20 years?
I'll say it's a very solemn day for everyone, remembering that. Hard to believe it was 20 years ago, and how extraordinary it was. People living their everyday lives interrupted in such a shocking way, and it stays with us. It's important to remember that every year, every day. Not only the bad that humanity can do to one another, but how humanity can come together. We can make good choices and decisions for peace and recovery, and I think that's what we really should turn to on a day like today.
Wonderful. Since you are an ethics commissioner, how does your current role align with making America better in terms of the diverse diaspora that we are?
Great question. As a commissioner with the Fair Political Practices Commission, we focus on making sure our democracy is working for the people, that it's transparent and accountable government at the local, state level, and that we can shape the decisions in our lives with all the information we need and accountability for our government officials. So I feel very much a part of how we protect our fundamental democracy in this country so that we can make better decisions for our future. And it's an honor to do that. I feel like it's a legacy of our good government, and what matters most, especially on days like today where you're remembering the good potential that we have and how to come together.
Wonderful. So what's your message to the viewers on this occasion?
Be unified, remember one another, put in perspective all the small and petty differences we have, and remember how much unites us in our common humanity. Focus on that today and remember it always.
Thank you.
Thank you
so much.
Honored to visit with you. Thank you.